Good morning, everyone. For years, the university was confined to cathedrals, where only elites study religious subjects. Now, let's imagine a campus where the students actively engage with technology. Classrooms are smart, Industry 4.0 labs are developed, and learning is smart and interactive. That is what I call University 4.0. My name is Lorena Gomez, and today we will explore the potential of 5G on the university campus. First, let's look at the evolution of the university. The origins of the university trace back to the medieval and Renaissance periods, focused on religion, literature, and arts. The Industrial Revolution brought significant changes. Universities focused on science and engineering. The digital transformation arrived, setting the groundwork for University 4.0. But the university progression parallels also with the wireless communication evolution. 1G brought us calls, 2G text messages, 3G introduced internet in our pockets, 4G is streaming, and 5G is connecting the world and also advancing universities. And I guess at this point, I'm sure you might be wondering, but how a University 4.0 powered by 5G look like? And this is the answer. Throughout the development of my master's thesis, I saw too many pages, and at some point I thought, I need to convert all of this amount of content in something tangible that universities actually can implement. And here is the result. It's the University 4.0 model. It resembles the idea of a smart city and also the framework of Industry 4.0. It's an open ecosystem for partnership, advanced technology integration, problem-oriented approach, and also entrepreneurship. But when we talk about 5G, everything goes down into the use cases because at the end is the value realization. For that, I developed 4 categories of use cases. But inside of each of those categories, there are multiple use cases that can be enabled with 5G. At the core and the first one is a smart university campus that is going to enable all of the digital transformation inside of the campus. The second category, and probably the most exciting one, is Industry 4.0 Learning Campus, which focuses on hands-on experimental learning with the collocation of simulation industries like a smart factory, 5G simulation hospital, smart construction, and precision agriculture in the university. The third category is sustainability sustainable living and mobility. And the last category is entrepreneurship hub that fosters innovation, collaboration, and also will support the students for startups development. Also, a question that arises frequently is what is the difference between 5G and Wi-Fi? First, both are essential for connectivity, but they serve different purposes. Wi-Fi is great for localized indoor connectivity. However, 5G is a game changer when we are comparing with Wi-Fi. It offers better latency, capacity, coverage, mobility, security, and also performance. Just to put it in simple words, we can think about Wi-Fi as a regional commuter train, limited in speed, performance, and on the other hand, 5G is a fast-speed train, more stable and more reliable. I wanted to bring a real example of this concept, and it's the 5G University Test Network Finland. It's a nationwide program of the application of 5G. And for the next slide, what we are going to see is a stack of collaboration. At the core, we have 5G that is provided by Nokia. The second layer is the helix of innovation. And the third layer is the value realization, where we can see universities develop use cases depending on their priorities and the need. This will prepare students for the real industry challenges, but also will contribute significantly to the sustainable development goals. As we are closing this presentation, I want to bring the sweet Lorena that went to school and also to university, and she didn't have the opportunity or the technology and playground at hand to really simulate the challenges that she is living right now in her professional life. I didn't have that opportunity, but I truly envision, and I hope you too, to have a university campus where innovation thrives, where entrepreneurship it goes more than a course, and where academia and industry work jointly to bridge the gap between knowledge and professional work. And for that, I create a formula. The first ingredient is University 4.0 concept, powered by 5G technology, that is going to enable Industry 4.0, but most importantly, is going to enable Labor 4.0, with skilled students and prepared workforce for the current and future industry demands. This formula is not just a vision. I consider that it's a blueprint for the future university and students. I invite you to dive deeper into my master's thesis and also connect with me discussing this exciting topic. Thank you.